In today's video, I will show you how we can upgrade Windows 11 device to Windows 11 25H2 using Intune feature update policy. So before starting the rollout of Windows 11 25H2 feature update, let's understand the prerequisites and the requirement for successful rollout of Windows 11 25H2 update. So the very first thing you need to ensure that the Windows device must be in the supported edition. For now, I am using Windows 11 24H2. Then we have to ensure that the device must be enrolled in the Intune and the join type must be intra join or hybrid intra join. We also need to ensure that we have a valid Windows license, either the Enterprise E35 or Education A3 or A5, or even the Virtual Desktop Access E3 or E5 license. Also, we need to ensure that the telemetry data must be on with a minimum setting of required. We also need to ensure that the Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant service must be enabled for installing the feature update, and we also need to ensure that your hardware is also supported for Windows 11 25H2. When you have all these prerequisites in place, we can start creating the Windows feature update policy. And to do this, we have to go to the Intune portal, and within that we have to go to the devices, and then we have to go to the Windows by platform, and then we have to go to the Windows update under manage update, and then we have to create a feature update policy. And let me create a feature update policy, and let me give it a name Windows 11 25H2. Same thing in the description, and in the bottom we have to select the feature update deployment setting. So I am going to select Windows 11 25H2, and then make available to user as required update or make available to user as optional update. For now, I am going to deploy as an required update, and then I also want to deploy this as soon as possible. So I am selecting make update available as soon as possible, and then click on next, and then click on next. And in the assignment, we have to select a specific group for testing purpose. So let me add a group called internal IT, and I already added one of my test machine in this group. We can see that in this group we have one device, and click on next and click on create. Now we have successfully created a feature update policy, and just want to show you one more thing. If you go to the update ring, and this is my update ring policy for that particular test machine, we need to make sure that the feature update default quality period must be 0, that we already configured in the updating policy. And now we have to go to the report, and we have to go to the Windows update and go to the reports, and here we have Windows feature update report, and then we have to select the policy which we created. We can see that as of now we are not able to see the Windows 11 25H2 policy. We have to wait for some time. Once the policy is visible here, then only we can start running the check for update from the machine side, so that machine will get the update. So let me wait for some more time. Now after a couple of hours, if we check the feature update policy deployment status report, we can see that we have now policy Windows 11 25H2. And if we select this policy and generate a report, we can see that for my demo device, the update status is showing as pending, and the update sub state is showing as scheduled. Now what we can do, we can run a check for update from the machine to immediately trigger a check for update and see if the machine is getting the update or not. You can also trigger the check for update using Intune portal, and if you want to know how to do this, you can check this video, and I will provide the link in the description section. So let me go to the device, and then go to the settings, and then Windows update, and trigger a check for update. Now we can see that machine is getting Windows 11 25 H2 version. Now it will start downloading the update and then install the update. And now we can see that the Windows 11 25 H2 update is now installed and it is waiting for pending reboot. Let me restart the device. And now if we run the winver command, we can see that the machine is now upgraded to Windows 11 25 H2. So that's how you can upgrade a device to Windows 11 25 H2 using feature update policy.